Isn't it his turn? He didn't. His. Dang!
Ooh! That.
Oh. Oh, he only has a little bit. Oh.
Zach, you got 3 minutes. Ooh, there's the tattoos. Did you know those are the twins Pokemon?
Mm-hmm.
Tapu Koko and Tapu Lily. That's why it's Tapu.
Oh my god. That's weird.
That just goes with me.
No! Don't make the fur. He haven't even got to make a move. Hey Joey, you went into
Who?
you.
Oh.
Joey. That's you right there.
Oh, Jinx.
And you're beating me.
Des owes me a soda. Zach owes me 2 sodas. Dave owes me 1 soda, and Mom owes me a soda.
Oh!
And Tristan.
You just got killed, bro!